Little by little, understanding this English phrase step by step. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, little by little. Understanding these simple phrases can really help in mastering the language. So let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you get comfortable with this phrase. Little by little is an expression that means making slow but steady progress. It's used when something is happening gradually, not all at once. This phrase emphasizes the idea that even small steps, when added together over time, can lead to a big change. It's similar to other phrases like step by step or gradually. Now, let's see how to use little by little in sentences. It's often used at the beginning or the end of a sentence. For example, 1. Little by little, I started to understand English idioms. 2. She improved her cooking skills little by little. Notice how the phrase sets the tone for a gradual improvement or change. Be careful not to confuse little by little with phrases that imply quick or immediate action. It's all about slow progress. Also, remember it's always used in a positive context, indicating improvement or development, not for negative changes. There are variations of little by little that you might hear, such as bit by bit, step by step, gradually. Each of these carries a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. And that's a wrap on little by little. Remember, learning English is a journey that happens little by little. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this common English phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll improve your language skills bit by bit. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.